Good morning, everyone. Well, let's get the obvious things out of the way first. I shaved away my beard. Don't really like it. I look kind of different than I remembered myself without a beard. I hadn't shaved for about 4 years. I hadn't removed the beard for 4 years. The reason why I did it is my ex and again girlfriend. She had the crazy idea of having a side cut done, so she shaved away almost all her hair on half of her head and left the other half, and I think it looks like crap. I didn't like it at all, and I knew that she liked my beard, and this was kind of a way to blackmail her. I just shaved away my beard, and she hates it, and so we could make a deal. She will let her hair regrow, and therefore I'll regrow my beard. So that's that. The other thing has got to do with her as well. It's about my tongue split. She has a split tongue. Actually, I did it to her, and she knew me when I had my tongue split previously, and she doesn't like it, and she doesn't want me to split my tongue again, and I had my doubts about it too. And she loves my pierced tongue, and so we agreed that I'll leave my tongue piercing. I stretched it up to 2.5 millimeters by now, which is slightly bigger than a 10 gauge, and I shortened the bar now. I'm wearing a 13 millimeters Teflon barbel inside it, and currently it looks like that. Yeah, I never dreamed I'd ever have a tongue piercing or something. It's kind of a surprise for myself. I just pierced my tongue in order to stretch it to have an anchor for the tongue split, but now I ended up with a tongue piercing. And let's see what it will bring to me, and what it will bring to us, to my ex and again girlfriend and myself. How long it will hold, we'll see. Well, whatever, as I said, the tongue split thing is put on ice for an indefinite time. I don't know whether I will eventually do it again. Maybe I will. If we will split up again, I certainly will. But as long as we're together, I definitely won't resplit my tongue.